Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in my recent video I showed you how to use rose quartz roller in my facial at home video. So this time I thought to try jade roller and Gua Sha as well. But what's the truth? Are they really worth it? Which one to pick from the market, as right now there are several brands which are selling the facial tools, and which one is right for you and how to use them. So today in this video I'm going to share everything about the facial tools as per my experience. So first and important thing, if you are using these facial tools, then this facial tools will help you in blood circulation. It will release the muscle tension, and it is also flushes out the impurities by draining them from your lymph nodes, and in long term it will help you to reduce the sign of aging and the wrinkles, and in the short term it will reduce the puffiness and it will help your skincare product to go deeper to your skin. So rollers will take less time and these are easy to use, and because whatever roller you are going to purchase from the market, these are having two kind of heads. One is this bigger one and another one is this a smaller one. So this will target the different area of your face. And Gua Sha is an ancient Chinese technique to take care of the skin, and it is time consuming, but here you can control the pressure, and due to its shape it will help you to contour your face over the time. Okay, now let's talk about how to use them. So before using it, what you have to do is you have to clean them with mild soap and water, and then wipe it off using any cotton cloth or tissue, whatever is available. And then apply moisturizer, serum, facial oil, whatever is your favorite, whatever you are applying on day-to-day basis, you can apply it. And then start massaging your face with Gua Sha or roller with light to medium pressure. बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर नहीं देना है हमें, लाइट टू मीडियम प्रेशर देना है, एंड स्ट्रेच नहीं करना है अपने स्किन को, जेंटली मसाज करना है. वैसे तो ये स्टोन कोल्ड होता है, बट आई प्रेफर टू कीप माई रोलर एंड Gua Sha इन फ्रिज फॉर एक्स्ट्रा कूलिंग इफेक्ट. And always remember to go in one direction, do not do back and forth. So for today's video, I used Jade roller and Gua Sha from Saturn by GHC because they are offering really good price for these facial tools. If you check on their website, these tools are coming separately and in combos as well. So whatever you like, you can purchase. If you like to purchase both products, then you will get great deal in a combo. And if you want to try only one facial tool, then you can buy them separately as well. And several offers are also going on their website, so you can check them out. Links are in the description box below. Hope you like my today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.